Hello everyone. Today's topic is incompatibilities in prescription. In this, we'll study various types of incompatibilities like physical, chemical, and therapeutic compatibility. Incompatibilities in prescriptions. Incompatibility occur as a result of mixing of two or more antagonistic substances and an undesirable product is formed, which may affect the safety, efficacy, and appearance of pharmaceutical preparation. The interaction of a drug with another drug or of a drug with additive or adjuncts, dosage error, etc. come under incompatibility. Incompatibility may occur not only during the compounding and dispensing but also at any stage during formulation, manufacturing, packaging, or administration of drugs. Nowadays, the prescriptions are generally written for the official and proprietary medicines which are manufactured by the pharmaceutical industry. The prescriptions are rarely compounded and dispensed in chemist shop or hospital pharmacy. So pharmacists hardly notice incompatibilities. However, the possibility of incompatibility occurs when proprietary medicines are diluted or mixed together or stored in unsuitable containers. Types of incompatibilities. There are three types of incompatibilities commonly known, like physical incompatibility, chemical incompatibility, third is therapeutic incompatibility. Physical incompatibility, when two or more than two substances are combined together, a physical change takes place and an unacceptable product is formed. Next is molecular change. When two solids are mixed together, they may liquefy. Example, acetanilide, acetyl salicylic acid, phenacetin if mixed with resorcinol or urethane. Knowledge of incompatibility is necessary for veterinarians to avoid unnecessary problems with therapy and to be able to antagonize certain drug effects. Problem arising due to prescription incompatibility can be avoided by understanding the action of the drugs, taking the help of pharmacist, and when required, refrain from mixing different medicaments in the same syringe and being used in use of drugs. Liquefaction, when certain low melting point solids are mixed together, a liquid or soft mass known as eutectic mixture is produced. This occurs due to the lowering of the melting point of the mixture to below room temperature and liberation of hydrates. If such conditions take place, compounding such powder becomes difficult since the ultimate mixture turns to liquid. The medicaments showing this type of behavior are camphor, menthol, phenol, thymol, chloral hydrate, aspirin, sodium. Next, chemical incompatibility. The incompatibility involves some chemical interaction between ingredients. There may be a chemical reaction, pH change in the dosage form, interaction with preservatives or solvent in the dosage form, and combination of divalent cations with component of the mixture. Chemical incompatibility may be manifested in a number of ways: precipitation, change in color, evolution of gas, gelatinization, inactivation or without any visible change. It is an extremely bad practice to mix different drugs in same syringe. Alkaloids, iodine, arsenic, iron, mercury and silver salts, salicylates, permanganate, strong acids or alkali and tannic acid are frequently incompatible with other agents and therefore should not be mixed. Knowledge of incompatibility is useful as in the alkaloid poisoning, stomach lavage can be carried out with tannic acid and potassium permanganate solution or copper sulfate solution is administered in ingestion of phosphorus. In some cases, chemically incompatible combinations are intentionally prescribed, that is, intentional incompatibility. Example, zinc sulfate and potassium sulfide are prescribed in Alba lotion, white lotion, to precipitate zinc sulfide, which is the active agent used in the treatment of acne vulgaris. Chemical incompatibilities may involve different type of chemical interactions, example, oxidation, reduction, and therapeutic or pharmacological incompatibility. It occurs as a result of antagonistic opposite pharmacological effect in the patients or interfere with drug absorption following administration. Example, simultaneous administration of physostigmine and atropine in the eye. Physostigmine constricts the pupil, whereas atropine dilates it. Incompatibility can also occur following oral administration. Antacids or dairy products which impair the absorption of tetracycline, whereas kaolin will also produce similar effect when administered with erythromycin. The following are some examples of such incompatibility: CNS, barbiturate and strychnine; heart, quinidine and adrenaline; blood vessels, adrenaline and amyl nitrite; bronchioles, histamine and adrenaline; eye, physostigmine and atropine. These drugs have opposite actions and counter their each other's action. Thank you. Thank you.